MEI, an acronym that stands for Merit, Excellence, Intelligence, is a talent management approach advocated by US President Donald Trump, Tesla CEO Elon Musk, and their supporters as a replacement for diversity, equity, and inclusion. This concept originated in 2024 with Scale AI Chief Executive Alexandr Wang, who stated that he would hire the best candidates for open roles without considering demographics. The MEI talent strategy is intended as a rejection of DEI initiatives, such as deliberately increasing the diversity of the applicant pool, creating structures and policies to reduce bias in hiring and in promotion evaluations, or creating psychologically safe environments in the workplace. On the one hand, some HR experts see this trend as a backlash against the fact that DEI morphed from a talent management strategy into a sometimes polarizing ideology. Additionally, poorly thought strategies or implementation or lack of specific DI expertise have caused certain initiatives and programs to backfire and harm both the demographics they are intended to support and organizations at large. On the other hand, the MEI strategy tends to throw the baby with the bathwater by doing away with a DI approach in a naive black and white way. MEI proponents operate under the false assumption that everyone plays the same game on the same playing field and that the best player will naturally shine above others. They believe the myth of a meritocratic society and are convinced that DI distorts the playing field instead of leveling it. This black and white approach is most visible when we look at companies that have readily embraced the new MEI fashion versus those who remain firm in their commitment to diversity. Organizations such as Meta or Amazon's that have been dedicating money to DEI just to check a box have been quick to show their true colors. In contrast, companies such as the NFL or Ben & Jerry's have taken a firm stance that shows appreciation for the value-creating benefits of true diversity. As recent as early 2025, NFL League Commissioner Roger Goodell reaffirmed the commitment to DEI. He said, "Diversity and inclusion are fundamental to NFL's future. We will continue to build a league that represents the communities that we serve."